Hey everyone, so I'm back with another haul. I am going to be showing you what I got from Marshall's. Marshall's is one of my favorite stores, and I've done a couple hauls of Marshall's before, and you guys seem to like hauls. So when I went to Marshall's yesterday and I picked some of the stuff up, they didn't have a lot of spring stuff, they didn't have a lot of t-shirts like this, but I did look at some of the new stuff, and they did have really great t-shirts, like long sleeve and stuff, but yeah, and usually when I go there and I always go to the active wear, like athletic wear, and I totally forgot because there was something there I needed and wanted for working out because I love to work out. But after I looked at the long sleeve, I went straight to the clearance and I picked up some really pretty sweaters and a long sleeve. And the sweaters, the original price tag was still on them, and it was amazing. By the way, I did this eye look a couple days ago, so you might want to go check it out. If you are just joining me for the first time, welcome. I actually do Synergens makeup, so if you would like to know more about Synergens makeup, don't hesitate to ask me. It's long-lasting. It is gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan-free, has skincare in it, anti-aging, all sorts of good stuff. So, but I'm starting out with this. It's just a basic, tan, long-sleeve shirt, and it was compared at $18, and Marshall's had it for $12.99. It says $10, but sometimes, I don't know why they do this, but sometimes the original tag is on it, and this is Tahari, I think, and this tag is on it, but the original's not. But sometimes they'll leave the original tag on, and then they'll be compared, and then I don't know, it's kind of weird because the original tag's right on it, and it'll say $69.50 compared at $22. I don't know, maybe they're getting it from another consignment. I don't know. So this is just basic. I needed one. I've been looking for one. So the next is this sweater, and this is bright orange, and I'm not too sure about it because it's really bright, and it does have a little emblem thing, and this is, I don't know, but I'm not too sure about that. Maybe when I try it on, it will look different. But as I brought it out, it is super, the lighting was different in Marshall's, and I think they do that on purpose. But I got this for $16. Okay, compared at $19.99, or it was originally $19.99 at Marshall's, compared to $32. But then there's this original tag from Macy's, and it says $69.50. So I don't know, it's just kind of weird to me. I don't know. It's super bright. And then I got this one. This is super cute, and I will insert pictures of everything I got. So I really like this one. I like the front how it was, but when you turn it around, it has these little loopy things. So this is the brand, Lucky brand, and I just pulled that out. So this was originally at Marshall's $29.99. Okay, and it says compared at $44, but the original tag price is on it. It's the exact same price as the Macy's one, $69.50. So I got a major steal. I like this one better than the orange one, so I don't know, I might try them on and then take one back. But they are true to size. They're both small. I wear a small to a medium. It just depends on the brand, but I'm going to insert pictures of everything that I got. And please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before I get started on this Marshall haul, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, so let's jump right into it. Okay, one more thing. This brand is Nautica. So this is an expensive brand, but good quality brand. So I wanted to throw that because I was taking pictures, throw that in there because I was taking pictures, and I realized because I couldn't tell at the bottom where that little thing was. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be first come, first serve to know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.